Alright guys, so we're back with the Pierre Cardin, and we went through and we checked the distributor and everything. We were 180 out, so we got that all set and we're pretty spot on with timing. We have our firing order situated, but the current issue is if you want to crank it over.
I'm just gonna, you want to get up close, so I'm just gonna go keep forward.
Okay. Yeah, so you guys can see that those injectors, especially this one on the driver's side, just starts pouring fuel, which is not entirely what it's supposed to do. And then on the intake manifold, it's just pooling fuel, so it's just dumping fuel. And when we crank it over, it just backfires out the carb.
Already?
Yeah. All right. Yeah, it did it like 4 times right there, so. Yeah. So currently, we need to get those injectors figured out before we can go any further. Because if we're not getting fuel properly, then, you know, it kind of messes with other things. But timing's pretty good. Firing order's good. Batteries are situated. We got our wire ran neatly, and just, yeah. Alright guys, so we have the top out off and the injectors are out, and the injector O-ring. So I've seen better days. You can see that's got a piece hanging off of it there. And same thing with this one. So it's definitely contributing to part of our issue.
Dead injectors.
Yeah, so get injectors figured out, and then that puts us one step closer to getting it running.